Good evening, all. Got a little story to relay. Fantastic day. Had a great closing. A house that was actually for sale for upwards of 3 years. I actually tried to buy it about 18 months ago myself as an investor. It was a short sale. A young lady had got in over her head. The bank would not give me the price I needed, so I had to walk away, unfortunately. Fast forward a few months, the young lady asked me to list it as a realtor. She did have it through a friend of hers. Those situations rarely work. Called in me, put it up for sale. Within 30 days, we had it under contract, and we're in the short sale process with the bank. That takes a little bit. Been there, done that, negotiated it, and got the house sold. Actually, we sold today. The smile on this woman's face when I walked in the closing and saw her today makes all the hard work, everything worth it. That's what this business is about, changing people's lives, and God willing, I'll continue to be able to do that. I can do that for her. I've done it for others. I can do it for you. I know what price houses to sell at. I know how to buy houses. I know how to buy investment properties, etc. Peter Hackett, Exit Realty, 856-889-5885. Thank you very much.